If you've been watching for an affordable retreat located on the water at the Lake of the Ozarks, then I have a great opportunity for you. I'm Sandra Gailey with the Jason Whittle All-Pro Team RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks. This cabin has already been fully updated. It sleeps 6, it comes completely turnkey, and it's located in Dry Branch Cove, offering peace and quiet and some of the best fishing at the lake. Let's take a peek inside. Located only about 15 minutes from the Bagnell Dam Strip and all the conveniences of town, this cozy getaway could be yours. If you have questions or you'd like to schedule a showing, give us a call at 1-800-836-2005 or check us out at jasonwhittle.com and we'll take care of you. Thanks for watching.